thing, you can only remove it, like you can put it in only one side. So you see, if I were to twist it on the other way, and then I will not be able to fit it in. So not to worry if, let's say, are you facing it correctly? Okay. So how you're gonna remove the burr for cleaning? You grip the bottom here, and then after that you will just twist the top part to the clockwise, anti-clockwise direction. For remover, you go anti-clockwise direction. After you have twisted this, it should come off easily, and you hold on to the bottom part and it should come off. So like that, and then you just do a simple brush to brush off the thing. You don't need to use soap or water.
Okay.
Putting it back is the same, just make sure that the spring is in,
Yep.
and then you just gently slot it back in. So because the inside the construction is steel, so not to worry if, let's say, you start to wobble over time, or is it correct or not. So it's a lot easier when it comes to fixing it back. So same thing, you press this slightly, and then you twist this back on in a clockwise direction. And you put this back on. So you see that the 0, when you turn to the tightest, the point over here is showing 0.
Yep.
That means that it's at 0 already. And then here, then after that you will just put the pad on, and you will put in your handle. Left or right side for the handle doesn't quite matter. Just make sure that the handle part is actually facing upwards.
Okay.
So you put this on.
Then the grind size adjustment, how would you set it?
So for grind size adjustment, before you even start, you need to loosen up a little bit because it's moving upwards, or because the spring is pushing it downwards. So loosen up a little bit, and then you twist this towards the bigger number. So you see that the original is 0, and then I twist towards 1, 2, 3. So remember how many rounds have you go through. So for example, right now I would say it's 1.1. That means I go through 1 revolution, and now it's pointing at 1.
Okay.
So that is your grind size adjustment. So just remember how many revolutions.
Okay, so it's
And
1.1,
then,
huh? Okay.
1.1, and then so if you want to do the micro adjustment, so it's in the 5-point adjustment. So you see there's like 4 points over here, 1 to 2, that's 4. So every in between is every 1 point is a 0.2 adjustment.
Okay.
So means that your adjustment could be 1.1, say 1.12, which is the current setting right now. So you can go into the 0.01 and then adjust.
Okay. Okay,
That
I
will be
got
all.
it. Okay, that's easy, right?
Yeah.